Hello guys and gals. So today I'm going to be unboxing my very first ever MacBook. Yeah, I can't believe it. I mean, yes, this is actually the first time I ever get to have a MacBook. I mean, yeah, after years of using Windows laptops. Yeah, starting with that one Toshiba laptop that I had when I was a kid that ran Windows 95, which I honestly wanted to install Windows 98 SE on that old Toshiba satellite laptop that I used to have. But yeah, but things have come a long way. I mean, yes, I got my own a HP ProBook 440 G1. Yeah. And then I had a Surface Laptop 1, and then I had that HP laptop 15EF1010CA that I gave to my younger sister. And now, yeah, I finally have a MacBook. Yeah. So yes. Yeah, I've always wanted a MacBook or an Apple laptop, PowerBook G4, iBook G4. Yeah, I always wanted one of those, but I finally have the latest and greatest. And yes, this is the one with the M5 chip. Yeah, I'm going to get started. Looking at this over here. Yeah. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. At it. Yes. It's the M5 chip. 16 gigs of RAM. This is the base configuration. 512 gigs of storage. Yeah, it's the 10 core CPU and 8 core GPU one. The base configuration, essentially. Yes. And I'm going to be transferring all my data too as well. So yeah, I have the setup for that. So yeah, I'm going to start off by peeling this up. Yeah. Yeah. There. Yeah, then I'm gonna basically, lift this up. Yeah. And there it is. Yes, this is... Yeah, looking at it, on the top we have the MacBook Air itself. Looking at it, it feels really good. And of course, yeah, here's the laptop itself. And then here's the MagSafe 3. Looks really great. It's fresh too. And yes, we have the books and stuff. And yeah, the charging brick. Yeah, the single one, yeah. And I believe that's all there is. Yeah. Time to actually peel this off. Yeah. Yeah, time for me to peel this all off. Yeah. And there it is. And there's the MacBook. Yeah. My first one. I can't believe it. And there it is. Ooh, here it is in its full glory. Yeah. And here it is, booting up. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm gonna set this up. Yes. Canada. Yes, I'll be transferring data over. Not now. Yeah, I'll enter. Yeah, everything's all fully set up now. Yeah, it's all fully smooth. Yeah. It's even faster than this old one here, yeah. It took like a good hour to transfer everything over.